What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today on this video, I'm gonna get into cryptocurrency wallets, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to send cryptocurrency, and most importantly, how to send that money to your broker so you can get ready to start trading. Just like any other financial exchange, you need a broker account. So when it comes to buying and selling and sending cryptocurrency, you need some sort of cryptocurrency exchange, right? So the one that most people would use just to purchase cryptocurrency is Coinbase. If you don't already have a Coinbase account, check out the link in the description. Go get yourself a Coinbase, make an account, and you can get started with this video. Moving forward, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna navigate to my Coinbase app just for you guys to understand this, right? There's a difference between a cryptocurrency exchange and a cryptocurrency wallet. If you download the typical Coinbase app, Coinbase is just an exchange where you can buy, sell, and send cryptocurrency. Coinbase is not a wallet. I say again, Coinbase is not a cryptocurrency wallet. Now, the difference between an exchange and a wallet is, bottom line up front, I'm not gonna get into the major details, but a wallet is more secure than just an exchange. An exchange does not keep your cryptocurrency secure. If that exchange goes down, whatever cryptocurrency coins you have on Coinbase would be gone. If you have a wallet, you're the only one that has access to that wallet. Whatever service you're using to get access to that wallet does not have access to your cryptocurrency. For example, Coinbase has a Coinbase wallet. Now, there's two different apps. There's Coinbase, the app, and then there's Coinbase wallet, just like there's Trust Wallet and a bunch of other wallets out there to secure your cryptocurrency. Now, the most secure that you can ever be is having a cold wallet. If you have an app like Coinbase wallet or Trust Wallet, those are hot wallets, right? Those are hot wallets. Now, if you have a cold wallet, meaning it does not have access to the cloud, so no one can just hack your crypto, right? So I don't want to get too far into this, just so you guys can get an understanding of the differences, because most people just won't know, right? So the first thing you do is, after you get into Coinbase, verify your account, do all the identification verifications, then you can now move on to the next step. First things first is you want to buy the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to send to your broker account, your trading account, essentially. So the first thing I'm gonna do is hit this button that says buy and sell, and then buy crypto with cash. At this point, you should have already set up your account where you link your card, or you linked Apple Pay or Samsung Pay or whatever type of pay you have, and you can continue moving on with this step. Since I like to, use Bitcoin to fund my account, I'm gonna go ahead and click Bitcoin. Then I'm gonna go ahead, change my payment option and put in the amount that you want to buy. I'm gonna buy $110 of Bitcoin, view order. Then this breaks down the transactions. So you're gonna receive this amount of Bitcoin. As you see, it's gonna keep fluctuating because the price of Bitcoin continues to fluctuate. You see the breakdown here. Then you could go ahead and hit buy. Once you're done and the order has went through, this is the screen that you're gonna see. Order submitted. We will email you. Trade successful. Boom, just like that. I have my Bitcoin and I'm ready to go. Once you hit done, the next step that you need to do now is navigate to your broker account and initiate the deposit process. As you see, the money is now here. It shows that I bought $110 worth of Bitcoin. It'll also reflect in your totals. Now, once you have that money, you can now navigate to your broker account and continue on with this process. As you move forward, once you get to this screen, this is where you head back to your phone and you go to your Coinbase and you continue this process. In my previous video where I explained this section right here, this is where you now actually get to put into practice. All right, so while you're back on this page, what you're gonna do is hit Bitcoin, click transfer, and then you're gonna hit send to crypto address, email, or phone number. Now at this point, this is where you can click this little box at the top right hand corner of the screen, and you could scan the QR code, or you can just manually type everything in. Me personally, I'd rather just scan the QR code. Now once you do that, it's gonna look like this, and then you can just type in the amount of US dollars you want to send in. So I would just type in 100, hit preview. Now this is where you just want to double check the address that you're sending it to. What I typically do is I would look at the first 4 characters and the last 4 characters, match them up with the address that's here, first 4, last 4, just to confirm that they're correct. Then you can continue moving forward and you're done. You see that you sent the $100. Now just click done And like I said in my previous video, this is the part where you just wait 10 to 15 minutes until the money shows up. Don't forget to log out of your broker account to give it time for it to refresh. At this point, you no longer leave your phone. All you do is wait. You might get some notifications from the exchange that you're using. For example, Coinbase or Cash App. Sometimes they send notifications that your Bitcoin is on the blockchain. And that tells you that the money is moving. The money is moving and it's almost ready to go. So you won't need your phone anymore at this point. Now we can just continue from Pocket Option, just waiting for the Bitcoin to come through, and then we can move forward. All right, now that we've logged out, what you do now is just log right back in and your money should be ready to go. So there you have it. The $100 that we just deposited is now officially on your account. You're ready to start trading. On the next video, I'm going to get into exactly how to use this platform, Pocket Option. I'll see you guys there.